Ka Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs jong ka sarkar Jylla ha ka jingi trailang bat ka Meghalaya Athletic Association ha ka singi balang mentau bunai kila stang ni ka state level inter school athletic meet aljar posal ka balai sngi ha ka ba praspa kendai ki kena kente bat chenrang kila wan ban yishim benta ha ka ne ka sngi lawan ban pli perda da uba John Karsieng uba long president ka MSOA kumu kongsan ha ka jingi don lang uba finally periat u general secretary ka MSOA kumu sembut kongsan lembat ki DSO jong ki khat artli ki district nalor ki khna Ïalehkai bat ki we ki bala sha khot sngom ha bala yi ba ka ne ka program ka long ka ba iphu ipieng bat ka ba yaj be yaj renti
Kindly give the welcome address.
Gathering from this week to take part in the national level. This is permission take this as a selection for the national event to be held anywhere in India. I want to thank all the background is here with my friend, President of the National Olympic, Jan Tamil, all the DSO, Professor. We as a National University and the government is working hand in hand to promote athletic, not to promote ourselves. Now we are working in tandem, so you can see that the government has come up with lots of initiatives to promote our sports person by way of award special scholarship. For those like you, you can win at the zonal level, you are getting about 8,000 per month, which will help you in your studies. So tell your parents, work hard. Other things are like football, you have 11, 12, I think can play only one also. So I will thank all our friends, media friends, the athletes, people with DSO who are here. I want to thank you also, my friend from the Athletic Federation. I thank the Athletic Federation for serving their team to help in organizing this meeting.